Okay. Let's see what we did last week. After everything loads. What did we do? I feel like we added something and I don't remember what. Animations. We did animations last week. So we pick our guy, our skeleton, boop boop boops along, our player, doodle doodle doodles. Awesome. So we got some animations in. So I think this week we're gonna do a little refactoring. One thing that's been bothering me is this slope that's just kind of sitting here doing nothing. We've got it set up. Let's see if we can get our board to do. Where is show debug lines? So we've got a big slope that just kind of like, whoa, jumps down. I think I want to quickly refactor this into like, I don't know, 3-4 steps. And have this upstairs as like a starting area, and then maybe add like a secret exit back here. I think that'd be kind of cool. So first thing, we have to find our model and change the model. So we're going to models, sources, house. Let's open up that house. All right, so still using Blender 2. I think this is 8.3. I know Blender 3's out, but this is, this works for me. Yeah, not doing anything too advanced. So I think we spaced this correctly. It looks like we're gonna get 4 steps in, and we just have to figure out how high to make each step. So just gonna slice this evenly. So I control R for loop cut and mouse wheeled up to get 3 cuts. Okay. And then these can be like, I guess the top of the step or the front or the, oh gosh, what do you call it? Kick plate? The flat part, whatever the flat part is. So I'm just going to grab this on the Z. I'm going to hit Shift Tab to enable snapping. I'm just going to go down to the floor. All right. We want to distribute these, right? I forget what the distance is. So if we have 2 more flats up here, that's like a 1/3 each. I want these to be up higher, so 1/4. Let's do this. Let's undo that. I'm going to grab a vertex. I'm going to extrude it along the Z down to my floor, and then I'm going to switch to edge mode. So this is 2 meters. So each step has to be 1/4 of 2 meters, which is half a meter. So each one of these is going to be half a meter tall. Boop, 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 half a meter. So let's grab these guys again. Grab Z, and I'm actually going to move this up. Let's grab the faces and extrude it 0.25. Is that what we said? 1/4? Yeah, I don't know if we can get away with doing it this way. So let's, all right, we're deleting this. Get rid of those faces. I'm gonna grab these edges and I'm gonna extrude along the X. Let's see here. I didn't think we were doing Blender tonight, huh? So we are. I'm gonna get my 4 steps in. Great. Go to face. I'm going to grab all of these. And we're going to extrude them up 1/4. Get rid of these 2. Extrude them up 1/4. Did I say 1/4? A half. It has to be a half. Extrude 0.5. Get rid of this guy. Get rid of this guy. Got too many in there. Extrude 0.5. Get rid of this guy. I should probably turn that off. Why is, oh, I think they're backwards. Oh well. Extrude 0.5. That is not 2 meters. Oh, because I missed one. Gosh. Extrude 0.5. Get you. Extrude 0.5. There we go. Now we've got some semblance of a staircase. Let's get our materials. And look, it keeps all of our nice UV mapping, which we could probably fix. Let's focus in on these guys. I don't want these sides in here. It's okay to be floating. Get rid of those faces with an X. Slide back. And get rid of these faces as well. Oof. I'm not having a good time here. There we go. Face select. There we go. Now we're kicking with gas. X faces. Grab these guys. X faces. Cool. So now we have sort of a stair. I'm going to go in and I'm going to hide this guy just so we can mess with this a bit, and then we'll fix it up. I want to put a face along here. So let's just extrude and snap, extrude, snap, extrude, snap, extrude, snap. Go grab some edges. I don't know why these need edges. We're going to put a thing in front of them anyways. Face. F for face. Too many clicks. F, click, 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 face. Alright, let's do one more time over here, for those of you that weren't paying attention. Grab the bottom one, E to extrude, snap, E to extrude, snap, E to extrude, snap. Oh, we missed one. We're gonna get rid of that vertex. I mean, we could just grab it and snap it. It creates a face for us. Edges, fade, wrong one. Doop, face, doop. This will kind of hide some stuff, hide some of our primes, as you will. Get rid of that vertex. Is there one on the other side? No. I'm going to A to select everything, and Alt M so I can merge by distance, and it'll get rid of all those extra vertices we created. Cool. Now you've got some stairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think that looks okay. Yeah. Let's Alt H. Let's see how bad does this look. I think I'm okay with that. That looks fine. Doesn't need to be perfect. Let's just mess with the UV maps a little bit. I'm gonna grab the tops and 7 to look down on them, and I'm gonna hit U and unwrap project from view, and these are on the wood floor. Scale this up. So now we get like a nicer sort of looking front. Turn snapping off. That's a little too big. Maybe we could snap these to be, you know, perfectly aligned. Grab X. Let's just bob it there. Grab X. A, B, G, X. Should probably put screencast keys on. That'd be a little bit better. This is kind of unnecessary. We can do this later, but why not do it now? Now we get sort of a. Oh, there's two. It's bigger. Oh well. How do we do this? Just scale. S, X, 2. There we go. Now we get some better stuff. And then I want to fix these. Let's make these horizontal. Go 1, 3, Alt 3. Unwrap. Project from view. Rotate 90. Scale these guys up. These guys can line up perfectly. Scale up a little bit more. Scale up. There. That doesn't look completely awful. Perfect. We got stairs. Save. We want to do something like a secret passage back here. Right? Let's see if we can model in just like a little secret path back here. Just for that, I'm going to add a whole new thing. I'm going to get rid of all of those faces. I'm going to snap this guy so he's level. Grab an edge. That looks good. Go back to 7. Or just do like a, secret path that just kind of teleports you down, right? Teleports you down to like over here. Give ourselves another path. How do we want to do this? Just rotate it, extrude, rotate, extrude, turn snapping off, rotate, extrude, rotate, extrude, rotate, extrude, rotate, extrude, rotate, extrude. Rotate this back. All right, so I got the sort of a path. I'm going to turn proportional editing on, make it smooth. Grab this guy on Z and just snap him down here, and this, just making the radius bigger, and then we get a nice little curve. Oh. Let's unwrap it, unwrap, and that'll probably go in the carpets. Right? So we can go into materials, carpet. Nice little carpet on there. Let's shade it smooth. Shade, smooth. That is very shiny carpet. Cool, save. We're gonna rename this, and we're gonna call this secret path. And we are gonna move it up out of the board, so we're gonna put it in the pieces. Save, jump back to Unity. Let it load. There we go. Now we got some stairs. And no secret path, but we'll add it back because it's another object. Let's fix the stairs, because I want to be able to like actually move down the stairs, you know, get chased down the stairs. That's fun, right? Getting chased down the stairs. Ooh. I'm going to disconnect, disconnect. I don't have like an unzip. D, shift, control D. Grab this guy. We're gonna put it, go to orthographic. Ooh, a little fast there. Put it there. Is this gonna be exact? -14. Yeah, oh, that's good. And he's gonna go up. Focus on that guy. He's gonna go up to -0.75 because I think the floor is at. No, where are these guys? These are at -1. This should be at -1. Did I click the wrong thing? Boop, boop. Oh, I did. This is going to be at 0.5. Great. Clear the neighbors. I'm going to shift, Control D, snap this guy over, Control D, snap this guy over, Control D, snap him over, and just we're going to zip these up. Connect. We need to connect. Connect. Oh, click the wrong one. Connect. These are getting hooked up. Connect. There we go. So now we got one step in. That wasn't too painful. Grab all four. Control D. Control D. These guys back. Move them up. Control D. Move these guys back and up. Control D. Back and up. Now these look like they're connected, but the colors are all messed up, so it means they're not. So I'm just going to select all of them and disconnect all cells. Clear all neighbor cells. There we go. And we do the same thing. Connect. Oh, we click this one, this one, this one. Connect. This one, this one, this one. Connect. This one, this one, this one. Connect. Just do it a couple more times. Over and over and over. Oop. This is definitely faster than like hand wiring these, like figuring out what their indices are and whatnot, and dragging stuff around. Clicking a button is way faster. Definitely glad I spent the time to build this tool. Connect, 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 connect. There we go. Now we should be able to run up the stairs. Let's go to a little playtest. after some loading bars. Just make a run for the stairs. Everybody's running for the stairs. Is the skeleton slower than the ghost? Oh, this is gonna be a problem once we if we get all 3 escapes in our hand. Boop, boop, boop. Yeah, just making our way over. We probably could have started. The ghost is stuck. How is the ghost stuck? The ghost can't be stuck. Alright, found a bug. Gotta fix it. Ghost is stuck. Let's see. We're gonna go up the first stair. That's something up. That's okay. Up the second stair. Ooh, that was that's a good angle. So we have to lock the roll or whatever, the pitch. Let's go down a stair. Something's up with those. Let's see. What is up with you? I don't see anything wrong with him. The debugs look good. Let's see. Let's see if we can start a little bit closer first, and then do a little more playtesting on it. Where's our game manager script? Open this guy up. And then we have a board like get start position. Yeah, get start positions. I think it might be good to just stick a list of elements in here, not necessarily coordinates. So let's fix that now. This is old. We can get rid of that. Boop. All right. Positions, get start positions, goes off of positions. Let's rename this. Start position. Ooh. Start positions. There we go. Nope, don't do that. And then instead of vector 3s, we are going to use, should we use just a straight up cell, or should we just use a transform? Boop, boop, boop. I'm holding. Come on. There we go. We can use the cell. Or do we just use the transform? I think we just use the transform. Let's leave it as just a transform. That's fine. So we can say start positions are transforms. We just say start position dot position. Oop. What is it? Control Shift. There we go. Dot position. So now, if we go into our board, start positions. Let's grab, I'm gonna lock this guy. Grab this guy. 0 at the bottom. Do I have to? You're supposed to be transforms. Why are you not transforms? Cannot convert. Oh, get open position. Return vector 3. What was the error? Cannot implicitly convert. Oh, we lost a. Dot position. There we go. So we're just hiding our vector 3s inside of transforms now. All right. There we go. All right, here's one at the bottom. Boop. Here's one at the top. Add you. Let's do a second one at the top. Add you. All right, so now when the game starts, the player is going to get start position 0, board is going to get open positions for the enemies. What does that mean? Just a random start position. Okay. That starts with 1. So the player's always 0. The enemies are non-zero. So we should start one of us at the top, the other 2 at the bottom, or one of us at the bottom, the other 2 at the top. There we go. Yeah, nice little 45-degree. We just walk straight into it. Let's go 3. Yep, they're facing it, but we didn't set the up, so yeah, just walk straight out. The midpoint seems to be okay. I don't know why he just like walks straight in. Let's try moving him horizontally. That's okay. Yeah, why are these guys like sunken in? I don't think it's anything to do with these, right? Grid, the quad, no. These are all fine. Local transforms. Yeah, these are all fine. Could it be something with the animation? No, these are fine. Alright, let's go take a look at the animation points at its destination, but we don't set an up. So, in player data, right, we do a move and we do a look. Where is the look? Look at 2, and then we pass vector 3 up as the up vector. Right? Maybe if we set the 2 to the same level, right? Because they're still up, which just like gets as close as we can, but doesn't directly point at it. So if we scale let's see, we want the object to moves we'll call this height. Ob to move dot transform dot position dot y, right? We're gonna y up. That's a semicolon. We're gonna get the y, and then we're gonna say new look 2 equals 2 dot scale. Do we want to scale it? No, we'll just do this. New vector 3 2 dot x height 2 dot y 2 dot z. Right, so this will be on the same plane, but it'll still be able to move. So we won't get any like weird rotation. Wait for some progress bars to happen. It's a good time. Make this guy bigger. All right, See, now he goes down. See, now they stay like facing up. And we could like dynamically calculate some interesting like paths, like so they hop. But I don't know why the ghost is like sinking. Why in the middle ones are they like sinking down? Oh, that one they're sinking down too. Do they sink down in all of them? Something's up. Let's see, if you go to the top, you're fine on the top. all the steps there. Why is he stuck? Something's up. Oh, look, he's fine there. Let's see. You're fine there. Yeah, so it looks like this row's okay. The second step's okay. It's just the two intermediate ones that are messed up. But like their transforms are in the right spot. Oh, could it be? Oh, could it be? Oh, this is still locked. They move to the integer, like they snap, because these are the halvesies, and these are the holes, and they won't go to the halvesies. They round down. That could do it. Let's look at our move code. This is lerp start. Here we go. Transforms. This is the start. Where they're going to. Yeah. These are all vector 3s. Total move time. Yeah, that's so weird. Let's see. Let's debug this guy. Throw a breakpoint there. Debug. Attach. Run. I have a feeling we made a decision before that is about to have large impacts. Alright, so the start is he's at about 2. Where is he moving to? Vector to 2. He's moving to 1. Why is this vector 3 have a 1? We clicked the one step, right? Let's run it. Alright, turn this guy off. Run. Sticky there. Alright, let's move 1. And we're gonna jump up there. Alright, so it should be half. The 2 positions should be on a half. But this. Where is it? 2. This is the y is 0. Why can't I? Come on. So this cell, is it something to do with? No, it can't be. These are all at the same spot. This is y at 0.5, and the player is at. Grab him. 0. Why is he at 0? That's frustrating. Let's see. Where does this get called? Mover, do move. Where do you get? These are all vector 3s, so they should be okay. This is it. Last selected cell. This is a vector 3 int, which is not good. That's where it's happening, because when we set it, come on. Why are you not going to where I want you to go? Go to the usages. Find usages. Here we go. This. So cellinfo.coord. The coordinates are locked. So now we have to modify all of our cell infos. So the cell infos. Well, the cell, right? Did my keyboard layout change or something? Because this should be opening up a class. coordinate, it just floors it. Oh, that fixes our XY. So let's be tricky. We're gonna switch these because we want the XY to stay. And we're gonna say vector 3 and then get rid of this. Also get rid of this. I'm gonna say the X coordinate is floor to int. Oh, mathf. Mathf floor to int. And then we say transform.position.x. Then transform.position.y, but we leave it alone. We don't transform it. Mathf.floor to int. Transform.position.z. There we go. Let's see if that works. Ooh, lots of squigglies. That is frustrating. Because then we all of the dictionaries, the lookup is going to get weird. Let's see. All right, let's back out of that guy. We are going to lay in the bed we made and not have half steps. Oop. Which means if we want 4 steps, right, we have to go up a whole step. Or a step is, 2. Man. All right, I think we can get around this. Let's see if the coordinates will stay the same, but once we get them, we will pull out, instead of just using the coordinate to move to that location, we'll get the cell's actual position. What did I change? Oh gosh. Position, that's fine. Why are these guys mad? Neighbor chords and cells. Neighbors. I don't know why this is not letting me go to the whatchamacallit instance. That fixes all that. That fixes all that. So now when we do a move, game, we get the cell info. Last selected cell, the chord, we do a lookup. So instead of grabbing just the straight up coordinate, we can grab, well, we want to put the coordinate in here. And then when we go to move, we're going to grab the position of the coordinate. That sounds reasonable, right? All right. Do move, select, done selecting, do move, last selected cell. So here, when we call this, we want, instead of just the last selected cell, we're going to get the position of the last selected cell dot. This is a board dot. Do we get a get? So the board has all these, right? It's private get cell. We have a get start position, get open position, get moves. We want a get cell position. So public vector 3 get cell world position, and this will be a vector 3 cell. Let me say if it's not in there, we've got bigger problems. So we say cells cell dot transform dot position. Return that. Right, and if we don't check this, we're gonna have a bad time, but we're not gonna check it right now. We can just say board dot get cell world position last selected cell. Do move takes a vector 3. No, it does take a vector 3. Why are you angry? Get world position takes a vector 3, and this is a vector 3 int. This is a vector. This is a vector 3. I did that wrong because we changed this, right? This has to be a vector 3 int. Should still work. Wow, that was quite the roundabout. Now it should. Now instead of getting just the. All right, now I can't even move the ghost. Oh, we're still breakpointing. Continue. Move to. Whoop. There we go. The ghost is stuck for some reason, but we move the right way. Boop boop boop. Skeleton. Boop boop boop. Ah. I didn't fix the enemy one, so let's fix that now. Should probably unify those. But players and enemies, they might move differently. Do board dot get cell world position last selected cell. Nice. Give it a run. See what happens. Maybe a run. Maybe not. Boop, boop. All right, enemy does it. Moment of truth. Yay! Ghost down a cell. Player up a cell. Skeleton down a cell. Cool. We have stairs that we can fight on or run on. Whew, that took a lot. Let's do the secret path, shall we? So I think the secret path is going to be one move, but like we want to like make them run around. Let's see if we can get the model in. House. Lower wall, where is our secret path? Secret path goes in the board. Oh, that pulled the whole thing in. We're gonna unpack you. Actually, let's undo that. And we're just gonna put this in the house in the root. Unpack. Go find our secret path, drag it into our board, delete the old house. There we go. Nice little secret path. Almost lines up. Almost. So let's go ahead and just add the cells, and we'll see what happens. I'm gonna Control D, slide you out. This is going to be, first pass, just you can jump there, and then it just jumps around to there. So let's show the debugs. Clear. Connect. And then this guy is going to connect to this guy. Connect. Right? So you're just going to like shoot over there, but this is the whole like movement system has been predicated on cells are straight lines between each other. So let's see if we can run the ghost over there. Or the player. Whoever gets there first. I have a feeling it might be the ghost. Did we connect? I don't remember if we connected. Oh yeah. Boop. Just waddle on over. Waddle, waddle, waddle. Skeleton. You go over there. So now if I go 1, like see, I can do it. But it's kind of a long thing. So I think this is gonna have to be some bigger venture, because I want to be able to put like let's say we put another cell here, right? And I want to say whenever I'm here and I move on to this cell actually represents this cell. It's a proxy for that cell, but it just sets up that vector, like that we get that spline to sneak down. I think that's going to require quite a bit more thought and more time. So yeah, I don't think we're going to do that tonight. Let's build out our spawn points. I know we're going to get some more like gaminess in, which means our cell positions need to get bigger. So public list transform, and we're going to call these enemy start positions. And this is going to get refactored into player start positions. Yep. Boop, boop, boop. And then this is going to get refactored into get player start. And yeah, we'll leave it 0, 1, 2, 3. And then we'll create a new one as public vector 3 get enemy position. Should be start position, right? I don't think we need to pass anything in. Right, get player. Didn't I just change this? Get player start position, and then we'll just change these to actually be just players. That'll be 0. Let's make it 3, you know. And this thing will be getting an open position. Oh. Get open position, get player start. Alright, we're gonna do this. Enemy start positions. And this is gonna be get enemy start position. Enemy start positions. We broke this. That's okay. Because these are enemies, right? Get enemy start position. Get enemy start position. And then I think we also want on the board, do we have gizmos on here? Draw gizmos, yeah. Alright, get rid of that. Get rid of that. And then in player start positions, we're going to draw, let's say, gizmos dot color equals, is there like a teal? Cyan? There we go. Cyan, draw sphere, p start dot position plus, we'll just do it at the position. We'll make it 0.5. And then gizmos dot color, we'll make them red. And do the same thing for the enemy start positions. Alright, so now we know where our start positions are. And they should pop up. If this ever loads. Okay, let's lock you, and I'm gonna say grab a cell in here. This is an enemy start. Grab a cell in here. Where is it? Just selected it. Why is it not highlighting? Okay. Another, got 302 twice. There we go. That was weird. Grab one in there. We're gonna grab an enemy that can start out here. Let's put one here. Great. Enemy start positions. Done. And then the players, they're gonna start up here. Let's not give anybody a head start. Boop. And there we go. So now we can see our whole board. We've got start positions, enemies, start positions. Should we throw someone in the hallway? Let's throw someone in the hallway, because these are random. They'll just randomly get picked. Might even get some two in one spot. Give it a load. Skeleton started over here. He's gonna do. Here's our player. Cool. What's next? Let's get a couple players going. You know, I want like 2-3 players to be able to play, right? Instead of just the one. So in here, equals a new list. All right, I'm gonna move this out. I don't think I can loop in here, because I want to say something like for, you know, I is like player count, and then I can say players, oops, and paste this. Oop, wrong one. Boop, boop. Players dot add, grab one. Introduce a variable. Let's say we're going to start. Let's start with L4. And then this guy doesn't need to be initialized. You can just be a new list, var. What are you mad about? Const? No, don't make it a const. That can be a var. So now we can add 4 players, and it'll grab their start position. Draw cards, pass it to players. Okay. Let's see if we can get all 4 players going. Maybe change their color depending on their player number, and then I think we'll call that good. That was quite a bit of debugging and hunting for this evening. Got about an hour in, right? Yeah. Invalid operation exception. Queue empty. Oh, we don't have enough cards for 4 players to draw. So let's stop you. So if each player draws 3 cards, we need a lot of cards. Okay. how do we want to do this? Just do it the brute force way. Do it the stupid way. I mean, this is kind of the stupid way. There we go. Now we have, what is this? 20 cards? 30 cards? I don't know. 2 escape cards. Let's double the escape cards. There you go. This is the brute force. Do it the stupid way. We'll fix it later, but don't tell anybody. Probably not. All right. Back to Unity. Let it reload. Run. Hopefully. All right. Skeleton's gonna go chase someone down. And there are 4 players. You're gonna move 2 spaces. Yay. Skeleton's on the hunt. You're gonna move 2 spaces. Oh, now we can see how if players can aim down each other. 2. Yep. Didn't exclude those. We'll get there. But yeah, so now we have 4 players. Let's give them some color. Dude, I can't remember if we set this up, so let's go take a look at a prefab and take a look into the player prefab. If we look at this model, we only have 1 material for the player. Let's modify this so we can change the color of their shirt and pants. That sounds reasonable. Gotta open the Blender back up. Where did it go? There it is. Alright, Skelly, hide, player, show. Let's see if we can do this by, because we only have the 1 material. Let's make a couple materials so we can make them look a little bit more unique. And we can new shirt mat, shirt mat. I'm gonna assign those as white. Grab these guys. That was probably too many. Boop. Don't want the hands. Do want that guy. There we go. And then not you. Add a new material. Pants mat. Assign. And then these are still going to be the texture map. So let's see, we just save that. Now I'm thinking go back into the player. Oh, just opened it again. Not what I wanted. So now we have 3. This is going to be Y. What is going on here? Unity. Player mat. Player mat is a sub-asset of player.player, cannot be used as... Oh, I grabbed the wrong one. Materials. Player. Apply. Ooh, come on. Clear you out. Alright. Create. Material. Shirt. Create. Pants. Mat. Alright, so now we have materials for each one. So if we go and grab this guy, and we can just assign them. Pants, shirt, apply. And now through scripting we can set their color. Where's the prefab? Okay, so we have to get a mesh renderer and then grab the different materials out of it. Why are you missing? You should have 3. There we go. So the top one is the shirt mat. Materials. Shirt mat. The second one is going to be pants mat. Boop. And the last one is the player. There we go. So I think we had initially set this up to do texture mapped colors, but we're just gonna do it this way. So let's see, 1 and 2. Player and make player. Oh, come on. Just go to it. There we go. Component animator. Sounds happening near me. Bar shirt mat equals game object get component and children mesh renderer materials. What if we can get them by name? I think it's the 0th material. Then we're gonna do the same thing for pants mat. That's the one. And then let's just set these to random colors. Color dot random dot color. Color HSV. What if we could just set them? No. We'll hold on to the reference. Shirt mat dot color equals color. Pants mat dot color equals color. Great names. See if it gets to get a reload in. Load her up and see what happens. So it should be all 4 different colors. Hopefully. Maybe. Oh, broke the ghost. There we go. Pink guy, brown guy, red brown guy, black brown guy. Let's go fix those prefabs real quick. Prefabs, ghost. Oh, we gotta go in here. Ghost. Materials, and I think we set it up as just this guy? Yeah. Save. Prefabs, skeleton, open you up. Skelly, materials. There we go. Save. So now we can make a player and pass in a color, player color, and just set it. Then in game, we can do something like this. Color array, player colors. Let's just make it a list. List serialize, right? We'll just get the player colors I. After a quick reload, I think that'll do it. Board. It's a lot of cells. Close you. You go away. You go away. Player colors. We need 2, 3, 4. First color, blue. Probably make it not transparent. Blue, green, red, orange. Yeah, that works. Blue, red, orange. reload in. Move the ghost, which now has a material in it. There we go. They got their tracksuits on. Cool. So I think next steps is something to the tune of maybe a main menu. You know, set up like how many players, what color does each player want, how many enemies should you have, stuff like that. But no, I think this is good. We got some geometry in, got some colors in, get a little better. Cool. All right, well, let me know if you guys have any suggestions out there. I think this is a half decent, you know, thought we were going to get a little more refactoring in, but I think that's good. So thanks for watching, and see you next week.